To complete our discussion on essential project quality tools, we now examine three more. The Pareto chart helps prioritize issues by illustrating defect frequency. A scatter diagram reveals relationships between two variables, identifying potential correlations. Finally, the control chart monitors process stability over time, signaling when adjustments are necessary. If you ever hear someone cite the 80-20 rule, they are referring to the Pareto principle, which states that 80% of outcomes result from 20% of causes. This chart graphically displays the relative importance of differences among groups of data within a set, from most to least significant. If your quality lead hands you one of these, you will appreciate how quickly you will be able to identify the most critical defects to repair. A scatter plot is a simple visual form of graphical analysis used to analyze and identify potential relationships between two variables, plotted along the x-axis and y-axis. You might use a scatter diagram after you use an Ishikawa. The goal would be to determine if an assumed cause and effect are truly related. A scatter diagram can help you understand whether two effects that appear to be related both occur with the same cause. A control chart plots processes and systems, looking for stability within those processes or systems. Data is collected at regular intervals and plotted against control limits. For example, an upper control limit or a lower control limit. If we were tracking the temperature of a room, we might check it every 15 minutes, and we might want it to be 72 degrees Fahrenheit. It might be acceptable if it is 69 degrees as a lower limit and 73 degrees as an upper limit. You are looking for consistent patterns, for example, 7 instances of the temperature at 73 degrees. Between this video and part 1 and your own experience and studies, you have familiarity with the 7 quality control tools. If you use these in your work, you will develop a deeper understanding of the tools you use and how they support your work.